Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of PagerDuty, a leader in digital operations management. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
PagerDuty reported its second quarter fiscal 2025 financial results with an 8% year-over-year revenue increase to $116 million and a 10% growth in ending ARR to $474 million. The company achieved a non-GAAP operating income of $20 million and a non-GAAP operating margin of 17.3%. Key highlights include customer growth, strategic AI advancements, and recognition in industry reports. The company also provided guidance for the next quarter and fiscal year.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was $115.9 million, an increase of 7.7% year-over-year from $107.6 million in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP net loss per share was 14 cents, compared to a net loss per share of 26 cents in the same period last year. The non-GAAP net income per diluted share was 21 cents, compared to 0.19 cents in the same period last year.
Operational efficiency. What were the GAAP and non-GAAP gross margins for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP gross margin for the current quarter was 82.7%, compared to 81.6% in the same period last year. The non-GAAP gross margin was 86.0%, compared to 85.6% in the same period last year.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter, and how do they compare with previous periods?
The GAAP operating expenses for the current quarter were $111.9 million, compared to $113.9 million in the same period last year. The non-GAAP operating expenses were not explicitly mentioned in the article.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheet include cash, cash equivalents, and investments totaling $599.3 million as of July 31, 2024. Total assets of $916 million. Total liabilities of $735.3 million.
What are the key points of the cash flow statements?
Key points of the cash flow statements include net cash provided by operating activities was $35.8 million. Free cash flow was $33.3 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Key points regarding cash flow activities include operating activities. Net cash provided by operating activities was $35.8 million. Investing activities. Net cash used in investing activities was $3.8 million. Financing activities. Net cash used in financing activities was $28.9 million.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships include expanded generative AI solutions with PagerDuty Advance, announced integration with Snowflake Trail, launched Learning from Incidents workshop, engaged with customers during PagerDuty on tour events, recognized as a great place to work in multiple regions.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges include unfavorable conditions in the industry or global economy, reductions in information technology spending, ability to achieve and maintain future profitability, ability to attract new customers and retain existing ones, dependence on revenue from a single product, increasing competition in the market.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
For the third quarter of fiscal 2025, PagerDuty expects total revenue of $153.5 million, $117.5 million, representing a growth rate of 6%, 8% year over year. For the full fiscal year 2025, PagerDuty expects total revenue of $463 million, $467 million, representing a growth rate of 7%, 8% year over year.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
For the third quarter of fiscal 2025, PagerDuty expects non-GAAP net income per diluted share of 6 cents minus 17 cents. For the full fiscal year 2025, PagerDuty expects non-GAAP net income per diluted share of 67.72 cents.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
PagerDuty's overall performance is positive, with solid revenue growth, improved non-GAAP profitability, and strategic advancements in AI solutions. The company continues to expand its customer base and maintain a strong financial position, despite some challenges in the market.
That's all for today's analysis of PagerDuty's performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think PagerDuty is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.